Hello my friends, it's me, Retired Shenanigans, back with another one. It's gonna be hamburgers tonight. I'm gonna make just me alone, because nobody's here with me but me. I'm gonna make me a McDonald's copycat burger. I got frozen patties. I love these. I don't make too much of regular meat patties. And we got us some Walmart buns, and we're gonna cook them up today in my pan over here, my little grill pan. And we're gonna put some lettuce, 2 all beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickled onions on a sesame seed bun. We ain't gonna have sesame seed bun or pickles, because I don't have sesame seed bun and I don't like pickles, but we're gonna have lettuce and the special sauce. So I'm gonna show y'all how I make the special sauce, and we're gonna hope that it come out like the McDonald's. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're old to my channel, welcome back. And also, if you like my channel, thumbs up, subscribe, and comment, so we can have more and more and more. So come along, I'm going to show you how I make the sauce. I'm going to put the burgers in the pan, and these are the ingredients for the special sauce. Alright, we're going to start with a little bit of mayonnaise, because I don't need much, because it's just me. Mayonnaise. I'm making one burger. Big Macs are big. I don't need but one, because I'm going to make some french fries to go with it. I don't want a lot of mustard. Ugh. Mustard. I'm going to use Thousand Island. It's supposed to use French, but I think it's more Thousand Island than French to me. And I'm going to use the relish. That'll be my pickle. So now we're going to stir it up. Does that look like the special sauce? I think I put too much mayonnaise. What y'all think? Too much mayonnaise, right? Well, let's put a little more of this. Alright, there we go. Special sauce starting to look like special sauce. So I'm going to chill this in the refrigerator while the burgers are cooking and the french fries, and I'm going to get the bread all ready. I'm going to toast the buns. You know, you got to use 2.5, 1.5. So I'm going to toast the bun. I'm going to make the burger. I'm going to show you when I put the burgers in the oven. I'm going to cook it with some onion. You know I got frozen onion. That's what I cook with. I don't feel like cutting no onion. So we're going to make some frozen onions in the pan with it. So it's 2 all beef patties, special sauce. I got lettuce, cheese, pickled onion on a sesame seed bun. This is the start of the burgers. I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to season it with. And while I'm cooking it up, I'm going to put some, I'm going back to my good old soul food seasoning. Soul food seasoning. I don't know if McDonald's season their hamburgers, but Retired Shenanigans do. It's going to taste good. We're going to say it's a Big Mac. It's a copycat Big Mac burger. Okay. That's all I'm going to put on it. When it's all done up and everything, I showed you how I made the sauce. I'm going to make me some french fries to go with it. Because how you going to have a Big Mac and not have McDonald's fries? So therefore, we're going to make us some McDonald's fries. I'm going to put these onions in this pan to cook with the hamburger and put it on there. So when it's all ready and all finished, we're going to test it. I'm going to toast the bun too, I believe. I'm cooking just for me tonight. My fiance went out to a football game. So it's just me eating. My niece went out after work. So it's just me. And I decided I'll make me a Big Mac. I like Big Macs. So we're going to have us a Big Mac, some fries, and some juice. And then you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to call it a night. Because I'm tired. See how it's cooking? I don't want to put the onions in right yet. I want the meat to be almost done before I put the onions, so it could be a little bit raw on the burgers. I don't want them done. Because the onions on the Big Mac are raw. So we're just cooking up our burgers here. Making them very tasty. We toasted our bun. We got our sauce made. We're going to put our french fries. And we'll be back. The burgers are almost done. I'll put the onion in there just to cook a little bit. I don't want them raw. So just get the wetness off them. We're going to put our cheese on it. I'm going to show y'all how I assemble the Big Mac. And with the french fries. And the onions and the lettuce and everything. And we're going to have us a Big Mac. Big Mac. Okay. Still cooking some. Still got a little bit to cook. Starting to smell good. Or I'm hungry one. I believe it's some of the both. I'm hungry and it's smelling good. So when we ready to assemble it, I'll show you. Okay. Onion, lettuce, cheese. We're gonna get the bun ready. Oh, we gotta get the sauce. Some sauce. And we're gonna put some sauce. I toasted these. Sauce on the bottom bun. Right? We're gonna get the burger. Burger. One of them. And we're gonna put some cheese on it. We're gonna put some onion. We're going to put the middle bun this way. That's another bottom. I'm going to put some more sauce. More onion. And cheese. More onion. 2 all beef patties. Special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickle. No pickle, because y'all remember I don't like pickle. Pickle, lettuce, lettuce. No more of the onion. I don't want the paper though. Alright. Second burger. You know what? I made this wrong, but I'm going to put the burger under the cheese here. That's what I meant to do. We're going to put on some more lettuce. Right? We're going to top our top bun with some special sauce. Right? I'm going to leave that open. You know why? Because I'm going to get my french fry and I'm going to put some ketchup on my Big Mac, because I like ketchup on my Big Mac. Let's put all this sauce because I like it sloppy. I like it sloppy. You can't eat a McDonald's burger, Big Mac without it being sloppy. So let's slide all that there. We're going to get the french fries and put it on the plate. Ketchup. Because what burger is not good with ketchup? Woo. Mash it down. Oops. I'm losing my food. This plate is heavy. All right. We're going to taste it now. Let's see how it tastes. Big Mac copycat. We're going to try this hamburger and see how it tastes. So, this was quick, easy, cheap. It wasn't expensive at all. So, you can make McDonald's at home just like me. All you got to do is get you the recipe and follow it. That's what I did. I even tweaked it some, you know, because I like my burgers a little different than McDonald's make theirs, but I love me a good Big Mac. So let's see how this tastes. Oh my goodness. It really tastes. It really tastes like a Big Mac. As you see, it's all over my mouth. That's what a real Big Mac tastes like. So, I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to have my dinner. As you can see, my glasses are up here. So, I'm going to finish my dinner. Thank you for watching. Come back and watch again, because we're going to have more. I felt like hamburgers, so I said, let me just make a McDonald's burger. A Big Mac, because that's what I like. With the french fries. If I can do it, definitely you guys can do it. So, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. I'm hot. I appreciate you guys. I truly, truly do. And if nobody told you, I love you guys though, because I'm getting so much good feedback from you guys that you're watching and engaging. So please, keep coming back. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. See you at the next one.